One of the most important questions we get asked is stirring. You know why? Because chopping takes about a minute. People think they can chop in the mixie. Okay, fine. Kneading can be done in a food processor, but what about stirring? जिसको हम भूनना बोलते हैं. There are a lot of dishes in Indian cuisine which require a lot of stirring. आप गाजर का हलवा बना रहे हैं, carrot हलवा. It will require stirring for about an hour, even more, depending on the amount of sugar you are putting, amount of khoya you are putting. नीचे लगना नहीं चाहिए. It should not get stuck to the bottom. It will get burnt. And which is why it is so painful to make. And this is where Chef Magic creates really magical moments, because the stirring blade really scrapes through the bottom and it can go on and on without letting your food get burnt while you are sitting in your living room and watching your favorite OTT program. You don't need to stand here, it will stir. When you're making mutton, Rogan Josh for example, मज़ा मटन का तभी आता है जब बहुत अच्छी तरह भुना हो और बहुत देर तक भुना हो. This machine will do slow cooking of mutton. It will take about 75 minutes to cook your mutton Rogan Josh. It will be super tasty and your engagement in the kitchen will be less than 5 minutes just to put the ingredients. सारा भूनने का काम, सारा stirring, all sauteing, the machine will do.